Hello explorers, hope you're having a great day out like we are over here. Just wanted to chat with you a little bit. Just thought of some little, hold on a minute. Noisy. Just thought of a few tips, maybe if you're moving or buying a house or whatever. Kind of like if I knew then what I know now type of things. Might help you out. First thing is, as soon as you get the keys, before moving anything in, I'd say definitely go to the new place and clean it up. You know, get the vacuums and the rug shampooers and all that good stuff. Because it's the one thing we did wrong. We kind of in a hurry, so we went ahead and moved in. Started moving our stuff in and everything, and then we started sleeping there. You know, we get everything moved in and start sleeping there. We realized, even after talking to the people, they had a cat. Well, guess who's allergic to cats? And it's kind of taken its toll on me here. Pretty much been popping allergy pills for the past couple days. Long story short, now we have to remove all the boxes and move everything around just so we can vacuum and shampoo the carpet in all the rooms. So that's going to be fun. And I was just sitting there thinking that we could have done that first night we got the keys. We didn't stay in the house or anything. We didn't move anything in. We were too exhausted from all the stress from buying the place. So there's your tip number one right there. Actually, overall, plan on it taking longer than what you think it's going to do. We thought we'd be able to pack and move everything up in like 3 or 4 days. Turns out it took us a week. And I think I told you on the other one, but we kind of cut the electricity off about 4 days too early. So that made things a little bit more hectic. If you're pulling things just out of drawers, like your little junk drawer or whatever, right down on top where that was. That way you at least have an overview in your head about what's in that drawer, so you don't have to go sifting through the box whenever you find it. Now there were a couple things that we actually did do well, even if they were by mistake. We happened to all the important papers like taxes and things like that, and all the little buying of the new house papers. We had put them all in one box and marked the box. And when we moved it, we kept it inside the front of the moving truck, so we knew exactly where it was. At the time, we hadn't filed our taxes yet, so we kind of needed them. Well, there's an idea if you haven't done it yet. That worked out really well. We finally made another appointment for tomorrow to file our taxes, and we knew exactly where the box was, so that was kind of nice. The other tip is whenever you're marking your boxes, I would say mark them on 2 sides of the box. You probably heard that tip elsewhere, but one on the end, one on the side. That kind of helped whenever we had a bunch of boxes stacked up. One thing my girlfriend did that I really liked was she drew a little picture of a wine glass somewhere on the box if it had breakables in it. And then the ones that you didn't want anything on top of, she of course wrote the word top on it. And That way we know not to stick anything on the box and crush it. I'd like to thank you for watching along with me here. Really means a lot. It makes the hour drive worth it. Well, not really an hour. Makes the 40-minute drive to work worth it. So I really appreciate you watching and keeping up with things that are going on. I'd like for this to be a conversation though, so leave your comments down below and subscribe if you haven't. Gotta love traffic, huh? Guess our plans for the next few weeks, well, hopefully at least a week, are to get everything put away, find a home for everything, figure out what we're getting rid of, that kind of thing. But yeah, definitely want to thank you for watching and subscribing and interacting with us. My question for you is, what's your the last time you moved, did you have any regrets, something you wish you'd done, or was there something that you really did right? Leave it in the comments below. That way, you can share your wisdom with everyone else. If there's something you're really proud of. You guys have a great day. And remember, when in doubt, evolve.